Hey there, and welcome to My Lane Perspective. Today we're going to be showing you how to upgrade your steering wheel button controls. So if you're like me, you probably have the 4Runner that came with this steering wheel. Ooh. Yeah, it's not bad, it just doesn't have any volume buttons. And the cool part is that they come pre-wired, so all you have to do is buy the right parts and you can plug them in and no other wiring is needed. Your volume buttons will work. Now, in my case, I couldn't find those parts separately, or if I did, they were really expensive. So I just bought an entire steering wheel that had all of the components I needed. So let me show you what that looks like, the tools you're gonna need, and then just step-by-step instructions. All right, you guys, this is about as easy as it gets. That guy, 10mm adapter, T30. So those are all you're going to need. These guys are going to be for swapping off the negative ground terminal, and then this guy is for getting out 2 bolts that hold in the steering wheel airbag. Otherwise, that's all you're going to need. Alrighty guys, and we're just going to pop the hood here. Now we've got to disconnect the power. So for this guy, just a 10mm socket. Okay, and that goes down there. So really you only need to disconnect one. One thing I like to check is just make sure all power is drained. Horn won't honk. Nothing, no power. So there's a little plastic cover right here. You can actually just tug on that, and that piece will come out. And then on this side, there's another one. So flathead screwdriver, your fingernail, it's kind of all you need to get that off. I just pried from this side right here and was able to pop it out like that. But that's the guy that we're after. So I believe that is a T30 bit. So you're just gonna remove that one and that one. So now you should be able to just grab this whole thing and just lift it off. And you also have a ground here. So for these ones on the airbag, really just using my fingernails to go under both sides and prying up. And that should loosen him enough. Yep. And there you have it. That guy is off. So here's my steering wheel that I got off eBay. This one is a leather wrapped, and then it's got the buttons on it. So same thing, I just have the 2 screws on each side. So I'll remove both of those, get the airbag, and swap over the buttons and the blank switch. I actually like this steering wheel. I don't know what it is, a synthetic leather or texture versus an actual leather wrapped steering wheel. The one I got's in okay condition. It's got some nicks on it and stuff. But what I'll basically be doing is just removing this Phillips and these ones down here, and just swapping those pieces up to my steering wheel and then putting in the airbag. So it's really going to be easy. Otherwise, you'd have to take off this guy here, remove the whole steering wheel, and then put the new one on. So it would be one more step if I wanted to go to the leather. In my case, I don't. I just want to stick with these buttons. So we'll switch that over and go from there. So that's everything swapped over. So again, pretty easy. Screw here, 2 here, 1 up here. So all I did was pop those in. Very easy. Now we're just going to connect the new airbag. So I'm just going to connect those pins up here, and then I'll tighten the screws on the side, on the left and right, with the T27 or T30, and then I'll reconnect power and I'll see if I have steering wheel controls. So hopefully this Toyota will be up and running soon. All right, you guys, so I have the battery hooked back up, and then both those screws are connected, the 2 plugs for the airbag, and then the ground for the horn. So everything should be connected. Moment of truth. Okay, that works. CD player on. So that's on 18, volume up. Hey! So she works. Let's see here. Yep, and you can switch through all of that. Yeah, and you can just mute it all the way down. Cool. Well, there you go, you guys. That is one very easy modification to do. I like it because this texture matches this one. It's just dirty. So I'm going to be detailing the car in another video. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much again for watching. Go ahead and give me a like if that helped you out, or a dislike if it didn't. Let me know down in the comment sections below if you have any questions. I'll always go through and try to answer them the best I can. But that's everything that I have for today. Thanks again so much, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care.